All right, today we're doing a quick unboxing of this Skil sander. So I just want to show you what it looks like coming out of the box and all that comes with it. So first, you see we have our instruction manual, and it's pretty robust. So there must be a lot that you can do with this sander. We have got the filter, so it's going to collect your dust, your shavings there. The sander itself, which looks like an iron, it's kind of like a Velcro here on the end for the attachment, and then the on-off up here just moves, and then the extension cord. Then we've got all the different sandpapers, and it looks like, so you've got those standard ones that fit on the thing, and then you've got some tips, probably because it's a different thickness. It looks like it's slightly different. So you see this one is different from that one. So that's kind of cool to have different levels of fineness for sanding. Then we've got this, which I'm not sure what it looks. Oh, that's why the different attachments. Okay, so we see that this can fit on here like that. All right, so by default, you have this one that fills the whole thing, traditional sander, and then your microfilter here on the back. Okay, but you can also unlock it here, just move this top thing over, and then this main part doesn't come off easily, and that's probably a good thing. It will pop off. Now, to pop back on, you can go with this one, and then lock it back into place. So that's just going to give you the harder to reach areas, you know, and just have a nice brush there with the harder to reach areas. We can also do this one, and this one is really cool because, let me get it on. This one's going to go like if you have to go in between areas, like if you have a railing or something and you need to get between the two wood pieces, this will fit in there, which is really cool. And then we also have this one. This is the louver attachment, which is also an extender similar to this one, but it gives you the point at the end so you can like dig into hard to reach places to get that, you know, that last little bit. So really cool to have the different attachments. So I love that it has all the different attachments, but that it also has multiple sandpapers for each of the different sizes. So it's gonna last you for a while right out of the box.